So he's now 5 years old.
That's old for a chickadee?
That's pretty old for a chickadee, yes.
Most of them are about 2.
Most chickadees don't live that long. So this is an old timer for a chickadee. They don't get any bigger as they get older. This is as big as he will ever get. They like to bite. So we will take a couple measurements on him, and actually it's a female.
Ooh.
Yeah. From our past records, I can see that this is a female.
The males and the females look alike.
Yeah.
At least to us, yeah.
So
Yes.
hold out your hands and I'll set it in your hands. Get your hand, you ready? Get your dad ready here. They go quick.
There he goes. Which way did he fly? She fly.
This way.
Right to the woods.
Still see them, huh?
These are pretty common.
And it's been.
House.
They like to nest around houses and in hanging flower pots around houses. So, what do they take? A 1B?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this one doesn't have a band on, so I'm going to put a band on this bird. And the number ends in 494?
12
Yes.
point.
Okay. So the way the bands go on, there's a little seam along the one side, and when I spread open the pliers, this little split pin will also open up the band a little bit along that one side. And then that goes in the pliers here in that hole, and then that goes around the bird's leg. And I squeeze the band shut, but I'm not squeezing the leg, I'm just squeezing the band. So it's like a bracelet, but it has a number on it that only this bird will get. It's a unique number, no other bird will ever get this number. So if we catch this bird again, we'll know which bird it is. If it migrates somewhere else and somebody else catches it or finds it dead, and if they report it, then we'll find out where this bird moved during its life and learn a little bit about how long birds live and where they move. So, the wing, 76 millimeters.
So pretty.
Okay, who's going to release this one? Which
Oh.
one did it before?
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, Dean gets to do it.
Your name is Dean? That's my name.
Dean and Dean.
Why don't you hold, just put your hand down like this and I'll set them in here. Just a minute. You wanted to go.
That's quick, right? He's ready to go.
Okay, I gotta go see if we can.
Yeah, and that's a male.
Bright yellow with black on their head and black on their wings.
Here's another one
Things
too.
like that.
Oh,
Oh
this is
yeah,
a
no, that's a
female.
duller one. That's a female.
Yep.
This one
The
has a band on it.
males always have black on
My
top of their,
favorite.
I shouldn't say always, during the spring and summer males have black on top of their
There you
heads, but
go.
females don't.
It's
Yolanda,
banded.
show them the top of the head. The males
Not
have a
black.
black cap and the females don't. But to make it confusing, in wintertime the males lose their black cap and start to look a lot like that.
And
So
they,
when they
and they
come
both,
back,
they look brown.
And they lose a lot of their yellow, lose
The
almost all
yellows,
of their
then
yellow.
they kind of turn brownish.
So they almost look like a different bird,
People
different
think
species.
they are.
Okay, so they're both banded,
Well, this one is.
and this
Yep.
one is too. Okay,
Well, keep that book open.
2780.
They're nice birds.
They come to bird feeders. They come to the tube.
4.
You want to? We're just going to do this one. You got enough. Come up underneath. No.
Wait.
Make a little tap like that with your fingers. You're going to need both hands. What do you have in your other hand?
2 hands, bud.
Put that in your pocket. Okay. Come up. No. Come up underneath my hand. That's good. Now face your dad. Okay. Now turn your hand over so he's on his back.
Like this.
Turn his hand over
Yeah.
like he's on his back. Now slowly open your hand.
Now open it.
Open your fingers. Slowly.
Open your hand. Open it.
Open it. Keep opening.
Yeah.
Oh,
The other hand. Open the other hand.
Open your fingers too.
Open this hand.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, open
Yeah,
all
take
your
it.
fingers.
Just all your fingers like this.
Go like,
Like that.
And let it fly away.
blow on it. Just, okay, let's blow a little harder.
Right there.
And he chirped at you and went too.
Took a good blow.
Huh?
Took a good blow.
It did.
Oh,
do.
yeah.
I will lay the bird on it like this. And there she goes.
Just like that. Guys, which one is that?
A woodpecker.
That's a woodpecker?
Yeah, peck down like that.
I told you we're going to sit down and
That's a downy woodpecker.
And this is
we were learning about it yesterday, right?
This is a hairy
Remember that?
Oh, good.
show.
Yeah.
See, this one's twice as big as that.
They're both
See the
woodpeckers.
bill?
And look at how big the well.
That's sweet.
Because I was looking at that.
This one's a female because there's no red.
No red.
Woodpecker.
Yes, it is.
So downy woodpecker, hairy woodpecker. They're pretty much the same except for the size of the beak and the overall size of the bird.
The head is a little different shaped.
These guys have black spots on their outer tail feathers, and those don't.
Ah, I did not know that.
Hard to see when they're up in the tree though.
Yeah. You know, they look striped, but when you spread their wings, you can see that they're really dots.
Yep,
Look
individual
at that.
dots on
Isn't
the
that
feather.
I
beautiful?
love this picture.
This one is a banded.
Oh, it is.
Is or isn't?
Banded.
Is and so is this one. Yep, okay.
that's what he's saying, okay.
So the downy woodpecker we banded.
Now put your fingers like this, and then put your other hand underneath. No, and I'll put them underneath to hold them. Like this. Oh, like that. So he doesn't fall. Okay, so I'll put his head in between your fingers. And you just put it nice and gentle. And then, oh.
You gotta wait.
Oh, we can
That
get
was
another
quick.
one. We'll get another one.
All right.
How was that? Now you know how to do it. So now next time we can do it better, huh?
What are you trying to do?
Daddy, I don't know. Dad,
Okay.
Dad, look. That's
What are these?
worm.
This is what it looks like underground.
Okay, but look in here. Just look. Hey, Daddy. It's a
Where are
large
you?
worm.
Oh, look at that night crawler.
I can see.
Hey, that it in.
Oh, it's in the way. Go. Go.
Hey.
Dang. You're scaring the birds.
Blackbirds.
Yeah.
They nest around a pond. They land on our cages and trip the wires.
It's different. Daddy, look. Daddy.
아지. 누구야, 아지? 누구 아지, 너? 진짜 they don't know ya.
Daddy.
See?
The birds in different cages, but like in different size cages. And
The other one is 10 feet volleyball net.
a 10 feet volleyball net. That's a skunk.
Yeah, you know you're volunteer. Go catch
I'm touching the skunk. Avery.
I'm not gonna say okay. So there you go. Boo.
Ooh, dear.
That's a deer leg.
Ooh, dear. Dear. See the woodpecker.
Killed a deer.
See? Woodpecker, Papa. Papa, Papa.
Oh, that's a big woodpecker.
Papa.
I believe it woodpecker. It's huge.
Ooh, bird.
What bird is that? Oh, they got one. Dean, look. They got one. Yeah. There's one in the trap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get back to the tent. He's not going to get away.
Trying to catch that one. And then Jay, I know it's kind
Oh, Springbrook.
See, that's how they catch it, Dean. Dean, go on. What do you got going on for us?
And I ate a raccoon. Wait.
Put on the show for us, Brad.
I am the but soon a wolf came and tried to chase me. I tried to fly as fast as I can, but I got away. And that's the whole story of Peggy the wolf. I got a puzzle. What, Dad? I'm opening my mouth.
Everybody get a puppet and do your theater.
No.
Look at his tongue.
Everybody do a puppet. Ready? Well, move your head.
Except for me.
Yep. We need your head to be down. We don't want to see your head.
Wait, Mom, wait.
What is happening in this show?
Wait, I'm
Boom,
not
they
ready.
up.
Ready?
I'm not ready. Not ready.
Why do we have 6 and Boo Boo doesn't do it? Boo Law here. You ready? Everybody put your puppet up. 1, 2, just do 1. You ready? Put your hand down. I don't want to see your head. Hey, Dorian, put your hand down. You only want to see your puppet.
Hi, my
Right.
name is Alexander the Wolf. Hi, I like to eat cute animals.
So we want to see your head. Put down.
And then once a skunk came and I tried to move. I'm not doing that. But then it stung me in my face. So then I ran away. That's the whole story of Alexander the Wolf. I'm done.
Backstage entrance.
I'm a wolf. Hi.
What is that you guys are doing?
A pattern.
The larvae of many beetles eat wood beneath the bark of dead or dying trees.
Hey. Guys, look at this squirrel. Okay.
See, that sounded like a loon.
It's good. Yeah, are we talking about that?
Blood chilling.
Yeah, are we talking about that?
Listen.
Wait, it sounded like water. Wait, stop. Wait, don't touch it. No, because I think it's this one. Yeah, no.
3, jump. Jump. Look at the leg. Whoa. Jump. You get it? No, jump. Look at owl. Climb.